this. I hate this.
It's our first time in New York City, a place we've always avoided because it seemed too overwhelming, but we finally decided to face the madness and see what the city is really like.
This is what I thought New York City was going to be. Just sirens, crowds, taxis.
Love it.
I feel like such a tourist. I really want a slice of New York City pizza. Oh my gosh, there are so many people here now. This pizza is amazing. It's actually like exactly what I wanted. It's so cheesy.
I was eating it with a fork and knife, and then I thought, I'm in New York. That's sacrilege. You gotta fold it. You gotta eat it like a New Yorker, like this. Oh yeah. It's really good. This is the best Italian ice I've had in my life. I mean that with the sounds of New York. I mean that with 100% sincerity. This just tastes so natural. Like, it's crazy. I can't believe how good this is. Our New York trip is already off to a perfect start. A part of me is like really excited to ride the subway because like I just want to experience it. I feel like I'm getting a true New York City experience by taking the subway.
This is one of the reasons why I did not want to go to New York City. I don't know, I've just seen so many videos of weird things happen on the subway and sketchy people.
Hey.
Hey.
That's Times Square. There it is. Times Square, there's a blue banner right above those golden arches.
Oh my god, there's so many people on here. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
I don't know why I've romanticized New York so much in my head. It's probably TV shows and movies, but I was like, I'm on the subway, just like a movie, just like a TV show. I'm doing it.
It wasn't as bad as I thought. It's still not like my favorite thing to do.
Sure.
But we can cross it off the list. The place we're about to go next is to see something that we've seen all the time in movies and TV shows and pictures, but we've never actually seen it for ourselves. Oh my gosh, we see it! It's so tiny, but we see it! There's gotta be a better way to get a view of this, right? Yeah. Okay, here it is very chaotic. There's people coming off the ferries. There's like all this stuff going on. We're just trying to get a better view of the Statue of Liberty. I'm worried this used to be the platform to see it, and it's now covered by the construction.
I wasn't expecting it to be so far in the distance. I thought we'd have a closer look of the statue.
But it's still like very majestic and just like so novel to see it in person.
As I walked up to the pool, I was getting like this tingling sensation in my body because I was like, my brain was trying to process like there used to be a whole building right here, like it's not here anymore.
Yeah.
Like I was just thinking, man, that is insane. And I was just like reliving that day it happened when I was a child, seeing it on TV. Just very surreal feeling.
It's also kind of crazy just to see how many people are here doing the exact same thing that we are. Just so many different cultures and races coming together. Like, it just shows like the impact of the event is definitely very much still with the American people. This does look so cool. I can just like picture the Christmas tree there, but I can't believe we're actually here. Oh my gosh, that's where they do the Today Show. We used to watch that every single morning. That's so cool. We're going up to the top of the rock to see the city from an aerial view. I don't know if this is going to be kind of like a touristy trap. It's definitely a little bit pricier than we would pay usually, but it's our first time here, so we wanted to do something interesting that we couldn't really do anywhere else. Maybe we can time it right where we'll be there around sunset-ish, kind of. We've made it to the 67th floor. Oh my gosh. Totally worth the admission.
Easily.
100%.
I would pay double the admission. Charge me more.
Whoa, you're like, wait. Whoa. First of all, this is crazy. But the Empire State Building is lit up.
I was blown away by the top of the rock. That's one of the coolest experiences I've ever had in my life. I just felt so reinvigorated and inspired by seeing the entire city like that. I just am speechless, but I actually have so much to say about it. I don't know, it felt life-changing.
And with that, see you tomorrow. We are about to go inside the Plaza Hotel, and I'm actually very excited for this. It's been featured in so many movies. It looks so fancy. I can just see a huge chandelier. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Literally the red carpet treatment. Whoa. This is swanky. We're about to go into a place that I've always wanted to go, and this is like the only place I've really wanted to visit in New York City, so I'm super excited to finally go here, which is Central Park. I watched so many like POV walking videos through Central Park, and it just seems so peaceful, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to be here. That's so cute. They're getting married in Central Park. Oh my God, there's another bride and groom. Okay, that's the third bride and groom we've seen in the last 5 minutes. It's so beautiful. It's really fun just to see people hanging out on rowboats. This is why we need to come back.
Yes.
Because there's just so many activities that I wish we could do. We just don't have time for. But I love it here. This is crazy. I hate this. I hate this. It's so overstimulating here.
I've never been to a place like this in my entire life. I feel like this is Vegas times 100.
Vegas
right?
times 100, for sure. This is everything I feared Times Square would be and more. It's like there's way too much going on. What is happening?
It's like I don't want to leave because I'm so mesmerized by all the lights and simulation noises, the big signs, but at the same time I want to get the hell out of here because it's like overstimulating.
Yeah. It looks so pretty. It feels way too early for this, but this is our last day. And even though we're staying pretty much on Broadway, we did not see a Broadway show. So we are going to Ellen's Stardust Diner, which is probably super touristy.
It's the next best thing.
And tacky. Yes, but yeah, it's basically a dining experience where, like, you know, Broadway hopefuls sing and dance around you, I guess.
Yep.
And it's like 7:15 in the morning. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting in here.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my.
They have like a decibel count here so you can see how loud they are.
Follow your dreams.
Thank you, we appreciate that.
Oh, AirPods back in. This man's got a job to do. Okay, we're definitely more awake now after doing that diner experience. And we're going to go to Rockefeller Center and try to watch them taping the Today Show.
Yeah, just like you, I would watch it every morning before I had to go to the bus stop. And I told myself, one day I'm going to go to New York and stand in front of the windows and cheer and be happy to be there.
We're following our dreams this morning. Oh, they're filming right now outside. How cool is that? Wow, security is like super intense and they won't let us just like stand around and watch, but there's a crowd of people on the other side where they're filming, so we're gonna try to cross the street and see if we can just like linger a little bit and watch them actually record. Okay, we went through security, we're doing it the proper way, and now we're going close to where they're actually filming the show. So exciting! So they're drinking alcohol at like 8:30 in the morning. Showbiz, baby. His parents are watching at home. Maybe we'll be on TV.
And now we're ready for a nap. Vanessa, appreciate you very much. We're going to be back in a moment. You're watching Today on NBC.
Safe travels back to DC. That's where we're from.
Oh, is it? Okay, y'all live in the district?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
we're Arlington, or Coast.
Oh, very cool. Look who it is, heading back to the airport. Peter Alexander. And that's why you get up early, you get up at 6 a.m. and you explore New York City. Wow, you can just see like the spires of it. Oh, wow. Oh, I really hope we can go inside. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow, I've never been able to walk like behind the altar before. This is massive. So beautiful. The stained glass windows are immaculate. I loved it. I really did.
It makes you feel really small when you go inside of there, you know? You start to ponder your existence, your place in the universe, and what is it all about?
Okay.
That's the answer we're all looking for in life, isn't it?
I guess so. Well, that is a wrap on our first ever trip to New York City. And I've just been blown away by this city.
Yeah, I enjoyed this trip a lot more than I thought I would. Being in the city, I thought I'd be overwhelmed, but I loved it here.
Join us next time as we explore Gettysburg, Pennsylvania.
Can we scoot up a little? Like, I don't want to step in the mud here.
Oh, it's a collie.
Not ready?
Okay. Why are people yelling?
3, 2, 1.